Reddit dominates Google search results for a ton of keywords, even more than most niche sites. Looking at their traffic growth over the last few months for music, how can you use this to your advantage? What is the right way to promote your site here? And more importantly, how do you avoid getting banned on this platform? In this video, I'll provide a specific blueprint to do just that, but first we need to understand how Reddit differs from LinkedIn or Medium. On LinkedIn, Medium, or any other Web 2.0 platform, you'll see Parasite SEO, where you need to publish full posts in order to rank. But Reddit, on the other hand, is a discussion-oriented platform, and Google will only rank posts that it deems valuable. So instead of creating brand new posts, we'll place our comments within posts that are already ranking in the search results. For example, if I type "best text editor" on my Mac, the first result comes from Reddit, and you can see how people are recommending different products in their comments. Now imagine if this was you, promoting your own website or affiliate links. And these posts would attract hundreds or even thousands of organic visitors per month, who could potentially convert into paying customers. So, let's break down the whole process step by step. First, we'll go over the tools and setup you need to do this. Then, I'll show you how to properly warm up your Reddit account, since you can't just start promoting your links right away. Next, we'll find posts that can generate traffic and show you how to craft a perfect comment that isn't a sales pitch. Finally, I'll give you a few extra tips to make the whole process easier. Let's get started with step 1, tools and setup. We first need to set up our accounts so that Reddit can't make any connections between your two accounts. This is important because if one of your accounts gets blocked, the other won't be affected. We need an AntiDetectBrowser. It's a browser that allows you to run multiple devices on one computer. Essentially, this means you can create an unlimited number of profiles, each of which acts like a unique device. I use MoreLogin, but you can use whatever you like. Next, you need to set up a unique proxy for each profile, since sharing the same IP address on multiple accounts can also get you blocked. There are different types of proxies available, but for Reddit, you'll just need a residential static proxy, preferably one in the US. Finally, it's time to get a Reddit account. You can either create accounts from scratch or buy from a marketplace like Black Hat World. I highly recommend starting with at least 2 accounts so that if one of them gets banned, you don't lose any momentum. Create a new browser profile for each account. Add your proxy details and continue to log in. You may also see a similar error when you first access Reddit with a new profile. If so, ignore the error and continue to log in. The second step is to warm up your Reddit accounts. Even if all accounts are logged in, we can't start promoting right away. Post 4 to 5 comments a day for a week or so, then you can start promoting. Step 3. Let's find those posts that are already generating a lot of organic traffic. I'll be using Ahrefs to do this, but you can also get similar results from Semrush. So start by typing in reddit.com in Site Explorer, go to the organic keywords ranking below 6, and then filter the results based on your industry. You can also filter by purchase intent keywords, such as best buy, cheap, and so on. Another option is to just type in your subreddit's URL and see which 3 posts rank at the top. Some of these posts may be closed to new comments, but many are still available. Step 4. Remember that the best marketing doesn't feel like marketing. You want to promote in a way that feels like you're genuinely trying to help. Let's look at a few examples of how this is done very well. So now you should understand that you have the process down pat. It's just a matter of scaling it up. Once you've commented on a post, you can buy likes so that your post appears at the top of the page. There are a lot of SMM panels that sell likes, but be very careful when using them because it can draw the attention of subreddit moderators. The second tip is to maintain a good balance between promotional and non-promotional comments, because posting links will draw the attention of moderators. But if you have a decent amount of regular comments, you're unlikely to get banned. The third tip is to never log into your account from anywhere else unless your account-specific browser profile is the same proxy you were using before. If you need to share account access with someone else, you can add them directly to your browser. Sometimes, Reddit will suddenly suspend your account and email you to reset your password, so you should always have access to the email attached to your Reddit account. I hope this video points you in the right direction. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below.